Hey guys, today we are going to be doing another video. I want to try with the little transmitter that I have for the DJI mic. I want to try to lower it. I believe it was on 0 or -6. I'm not sure. It goes all the way down to -12. We'll try -12. I changed a little bit of the settings to make it better quality. Hopefully you guys see that improvement. I know with action cameras, if you record in 1080, you upload, it doesn't even get to 1080, so it looks way worse than my phone. Also, I have to find the phone mount, but I'm going to try to get more stuff with the phone as well. So stay tuned. This is going to be on my chest today, POV. Alright guys, I don't know why I think it's recording the wrong way, but it's not supposed to be. Okay guys, I don't even know if it's working or not, the mic, because it's doing this weird glitch thing, but we're just going to put it to the back of the car. Alright guys, I have a crazy, terrible POV, but we got the camera to the left. I don't even know if you guys can see it. I guess you will be able to. I don't like the chest mount because you don't see anything like you normally would on a person. It's too low. But since that's all I brought, that's all I have. It doesn't lay on my chest right. I've had this problem with all the chest mounts that I've used. That's why I don't actually use my phone for content, because I bought a chest mount for my phone and it holds it like way too low. We just gotta get to a back road. We had 2 people road raging in front of me, but you guys can't even see it. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad today, and hopefully the mic actually picks up on stuff. We're recording in 2K, so I'm really hoping that this footage looks a little bit better, even though it's literally just the sky, bro. Also, I'm figuring out that the necklace doesn't really make that much sense, because what if you have to like move around when you're driving? Like, you're not just sitting like a statue, you have movement. So when you go around a corner or anything, it's, yeah. Now thinking about it, my phone records on 1080. I wonder what my phone would look like on good quality. See, if you guys can tell on the mic in the car, you can hear a lot of the turbo, but you don't hear a lot of the like extra stuff. I'm not hearing like exhaust or, but then when I like reviewed the recording of the exhaust, it sounded freaking nuts. I just hope and pray that my thing still stays on. do forget too that I'm not on the like stacked tune right now. I'm on no Unitronic tune with JB4, so that's why I make way less power. That actually might be why. And that's crazy that I still go into limp mode without it being stacked. But I actually took it off because I was getting better gas mileage for door dashing. So I do have to tune that back eventually, but we ain't gonna do that until summertime. We won't do it until summer. Luckily, everybody is cool out here, so I don't gotta worry. Alright, Case. Stay in there. The one thing I don't like about this DJI thing is when you pull it, this thing usually comes out, but alright. Alright, relax. Relax. Relax, relax, relax. We're gonna go home. And we're gonna try to get some footage on the iPhone too, just to compare. I guess the rock steady is supposed to like make sure it doesn't wobble all around and crap. This is something you guys will see all the time in PA. What I'm coming up on, I don't think there's any way to get around it. I mean, actually, do I even want to go that way? I guess we'll go this way just to show you guys, but we're gonna have to get off in the grass. This guy's taking up the road. Even though he should be in the grass. And that's PA for some kid on the phone too. Alright guys, so like I said, if you haven't already followed my other channel where I do live streams and stuff, this is like what you guys get a view of. You guys can watch me play games live, talk live, react live, all that good stuff. But I just wanted to subtle plug that in. Hopefully you guys enjoy this content, and I'm going to change it up on the hat mount. I apologize about that. That was terrible for certain portions. That's all I have for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I think I'm going to make POVs like a daily, once a week thing if you guys want to see more of that. And I'm going to try to tune my car today too to get it back on the regular tune, because I'm also having weird electric issues and I need to charge my battery up. All right, guys. Love y'all. Make sure to be happy, stress less. God bless y'all. And I'll see you in the next one. As always, I love ya.